IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. What do you like to do when you are on holiday? Band 5 answer.
I like to go to new places and take rest. I usually sleep a lot and sometimes go outside for walk.
Why is this a band 5? The answer communicates basic ideas but lacks detail and fluency. Vocabulary is limited. Take rest, go outside for walk, and grammar accuracy is inconsistent. Band 7.5 answer.
When I'm on holiday, I enjoy exploring new cities and trying local food. It helps me relax and experience different cultures, which I find really refreshing.
Why is this a band 7.5? This response is fluent, cohesive, and uses a range of vocabulary, exploring, local food, refreshing. Some complexity in structure is shown, though it could be expanded for a richer answer. Band 9 answer.
During holidays, I love immersing myself in local culture, visiting museums, tasting regional dishes, and chatting with locals. It's a great way to broaden my perspective and recharge mentally.
This is a band 9. This answer is highly fluent and natural, with sophisticated vocabulary, immersing, regional dishes, broaden my perspective, and precise grammar. It demonstrates flexibility, coherence, and native-like expression. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.